Programming the drive is crucial to ensure a smooth operation of the motor. Between the SI23 and SI30, the programming is the same. Firstly, good practice, just to check the software version we have on the drive. We can do this by holding the program button until we enter our C menu. Then we can press set and go up to C00.28 and press set. That gives us the software version of 69.08. This is just good reference, as there are new software versions available which determines the programming sequence. We can exit the C menu just by repeatedly pressing the program button until we reach our 50 Hz again. For this demonstration, we will be using a 0.75 kilowatt motor. To start our programming, we can simply enter the F menu by short pressing the program button. There we can see it should start at F00. Here we can scroll up to F05. This is our motor parameters, and press set. And then the first parameter we will change is F05.02 and press set. This is our motor's rated power. In this case we have a 0.75 kilowatt motor. As this only has one digit after the main digit, we can round that up to 0.8. We press the set button. Then we can go up to F05.04. This is our rotational speed. As a standard, we keep it at 2,926. We'll change this to 6. To jump digits, we simply hold the shift button in for a few seconds. There we can see it jumped. That is our rotational speed we set our motors to. Then we can move up to F05.05. This is the rated voltage. We, as extra protection, bring this down to 200 volts. Press set. And then we have at F05.06 our rated current. To calculate the rated current, we take the complete rated power. In this case, it will be 750 watts. Divide that by our 200 volts we just set up in the previous parameter. That would give us an amperage of 3.75. But for extra protections, we add an extra 10%, which gives us 4.2 amps. And press set. Then we can go back to our main F menu, scroll up to F14 and press set. These are our basic runtime parameters. If in the event of an error or a fault, it will stop and allow the set time to return or before it starts operations again. So we can start with F14.13. This is our sleep time restoration time. This is the time it will wait after a power failure or error code. Then we go up to F14.14. This is our low speed detection frequency. And we set this to 33.00, going up to F14.16. This is our low speed protection sleep time. So when it enters a low speed, the low speed we set at F14.14. It will wait the desired 5 minutes. The digits here are displaying seconds, so we change that to 300 seconds for 5 to be 5 minutes. Then at F14.19, this is our dry run protection restore time. In the event that the controller runs into a dry run error, it will allow our 5 minutes before it will attempt to start pumping again. And that's on 300. And then lastly, in the F14 menu, we go to F14.22. This is our overcurrent protection setting. In the event that the drive enters an overcurrent state, it will again wait 5 minutes before it restarts. Then we can move back to our F14 menu, quick hand over to F00 and press set. Here we can go up to F00.12 or 0.12. This is our lower limit frequency. This coincides with F14.14. F14.14 is the alarm, and F00.12 is when the alarm must sound. We also keep this at 33 Hertz. Program, and that's the complete programming of a SI23 or SI30.